Hello friends, hope you are doing good. It's me Hiren Shukla, your Excel friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel Hiren Excel Friend. So first of all, today is our main subject is VLOOKUP. We are going to learn VLOOKUP and I will show you how to use VLOOKUP in the Excel and what is the use and benefits to make office work easy. So VLOOKUP means vertical lookup. This function is used when we want to retrieve data against specific value from other workbook or spreadsheet. So when we type this function VLOOKUP, so here I would like to explain you all details. What is the lookup value, table array, and the column index number and the range lookup. So in the lookup value, this is the value against which data we are searching and finding from other worksheet and spreadsheet. Table array, it is a data range from which we want to retrieve data. And then column index number, in the table array the column in which required data is available. Count column number with reference to the lookup value in data range. And finally the range lookup, true and false. True means approximate match and the false means exact match. So let me show you the sample and we are going with step by step to understand what is the VLOOKUP. So here I have prepared one sample for understanding. So here the data is available and you can see in the formula bar the formula is there, VLOOKUP formula is there. So how to get the data when we have a bunch of lots of data available and we only need to retrieve some data from the main data. At that time, if we go one by one or to find out the required data, then it will take more time. So with this function, with VLOOKUP function, we can make work easy. So let me show how it works. So here we have a one table, employee name, employee code, department, and the salary. So here few names are there, some employee names are there, and against which we require the data, employee code, department, and the salary. And in this data, the main data, so many of the data is available here and we would like to retrieve data from this data. So how we can retrieve? So first of all, type is equal to VLOOKUP bracket lookup value. So what is lookup value? As I explained, the lookup value is for which we are finding or searching the data. So here in this case we have this name cell. You can see the name is showing, lookup value is showing much more because this table because the data is in table format. So you can also type like this, cell address B14. So you can see it is highlighted, and then table array. So table array is the data from which we would like to retrieve the data. I have completed the selection, and the next comma, the column index number. So in this particular case I require a employee code. So from the main employee name the data available is in the second column. So I am typing site 2, and the range lookup, I need a exact match. That means I can type it false or maybe you can type as a 0. It is similar. So you can see all the data is coming here. Now again similarly VLOOKUP lookup value is this. This time I make it as it is, and then table array. So here is our table array. Now I want the department. So column index number, here the column index number is 3 and the 0. So you can see all the departments are coming automatically. Now I would like to show one more step, easy step. So copy this data, because here the all lookup value and the data range is same, only column index number is changed. So copy and escape, and then double click here, copy and paste. Only now change the column index number. The salary is available in 4th column in the data sheet, in this data. So enter. Similarly I am typing here, paste. The 2 is okay here. Employee code, only I am changing this lookup value. Lookup value is now C4. Copy this data, copy, escape, paste it here. Now the department entering. Oh, you can see the department is similar because I have forgot to enter the column index number is 3 because our data is in the department data is available in column number 3. So it's now changed again. Our salary data is available in column index number column 4. Now you can see the data is available. Similarly, you can use this type of VLOOKUP function with other data resources and manage your work with easy. You can see how this working very well, right? So thanks for watching. If you like and feel this video is really helpful, keep me motivated by like, share, comment and subscribing this channel, Shiran Excel Friend. Please keep me posted with your feedback, suggestions and new video requests in comment box. Keep watching, keep learning and stay connected with me in this YouTube channel, Shiran Excel Friend. Be happy and make your family happy. Thank you.